Hello everyone. So whenever we want to watch any videos on YouTube, first we have to watch the ads. And if the video is longer, we get more ads in the middle also. But in today's video, I'm going to show you one genuine process by which you can watch any YouTube videos without any ads. And this process works throughout the world. So let's start without any further delay. So for that, you need to go to Play Store on your Android device, and if you are using iPhone, you just need to go to your App Store and search for this app called Geo Spare. Search for this app and you need to install this app. So once the app is installed, you just need to click on open, and here click on next, and here buy continue, just tick on there and next, and remind me later. You can do that, and you can skip this one and tap on got it, and you can choose allow, skip this one, and in here you need to tap on these three lines here, and you need to tap on settings here, and you need to scroll down in here and search for ad block pulse. Tap on this one, and you need to turn on this ad block pulse, and here also you need to turn on this one also. And now after turning this on, you will see no ads in this browser. And another one, you need to tap on play video in background. Tap this on, and after that it will ask for relaunch. Just tap on relaunch now, and now you need to search for YouTube here in this browser. Search for YouTube, tap in here. Here is YouTube. So now what do you need to do is you need to just tap on these three lines again, and you need to tap on create web app. Tap in here and just tap on add button here, add, and now you will get a new app YouTube on your home screen. Just tap in there. So this is the new app in which you will see no any ads at all. So let me show you. I'll search something new English song. So let me play this one. So you can see there is no any ads in this song. And let me try another one, this one. You can see it works like YouTube Premium. You can see there are no ads in the beginning, and there will be no ads in the middle also. So you can enjoy YouTube without any ads. So one more thing, if you want to search anything in this browser, you can search anything here without any ads.